What's up, people? What is that? Right here at Cycle Gear, they're closed. We hung out until they closed. We shut it down. We're just out for a nice cruise today. We got Dickie with his 675, and then James with his Magna. I got new grips. I've been running pillow tops, Pro Taper pillow tops for the longest time, and I don't know. It's not that I don't like pillow tops, but they loosen up over time. I mean, all grips do, but they loosen up really bad. I just wanted to try something different, so I went with these Renthal textured. So like I have way more grip, but they're just thinner, so they're not as comfy like over bumps. That guy, he was so like, he was so interested in what we were doing. Go left. It's crazy how quickly the scenery changes, like in parts of Tulsa that you're in. Like we just came out of what they call Little Mexico, and now we're in like the back road country area. I'll take you guys through the regular DMV just motorcycle test, not the MSF course, anything like that, just straight DMV. You go up and you say, hey, I want my license, and this is what they take you through. But this is the old like, yeah, Eastgate Metroplex. I think it was called like the Eastland Mall. The Eastland Mall or something. I don't know. It was an old mall that isn't a mall anymore. And basically the DMV is inside of there. So you go in, you take your little written test on the computer. You're like, hey, I want a motorcycle license. They put you on the computer. You take your test, and if you pass the test, you want to get there early in the morning, because if you pass the test, then there's no waiting period. They're just like, okay, grab your bike and meet around back in the cones. You'll see it. They'll have like a little section of cones right here that you park in. You park your bike in. There will be a bunch of other people with bikes here and whatnot, and be talking to each other, and then the dude comes out, and he has a little speaker. Like it's like a walkie-talkie, but it's a one-way walkie-talkie, and he puts it on your collar, and so you can hear him, but you can't talk back to him. and he'll tell you like, okay, hand signals, you know, if something's wrong, pat your helmet. If you don't know what to do, like do this hand signal, whatever. I can't remember the hand signals, but he'll have a walkie-talkie on your collar, and he's going to be in a car, and basically he's going to follow you and tell you what to do. James is so confused right now because he can't hear us right now. He's like, what is going on? And we're moving, James. And we're moving. And but yeah, he'll tell you to exit the parking lot, and he's following you in a car, and you go out here. You guys come in, you're gonna fail this test. You're gonna fail. You guys haven't even started moving. James has an excuse, he can't hear me. Dude, I literally never left first gear on this whole thing. And he'll bring you out here, he'll tell you the speed limit, because obviously there's no speed limit here, but he'll tell you the speed limit. So you literally just like cruise super slow like this, and he's just like tailgating you in a fucking car. And he tells you to make a left. And so obviously you would stop, you wouldn't roll it like I just did. Yeah. You go through here and you go all the way to the end, and that's the road that we came in on. And again, on a 600 sport bike, I never left first gear. Right here, dude. And you make another left. You'd make another left at this light, and then another left at the light that we turned on the first time. So they have you go all just pretty much around the mall and then back into the parking lot. That's literally the test. That's it for the test. And what was funny about mine is the part that I should have gotten caught for, I didn't get caught for, because when I went through that second light down there to go to the parking lot, because he looks at how you pull into the parking lot and how you park. And when we got to that light, it had changed yellow when I was in the light, and the dude had stopped behind me, and I turned around and looked, and he was stopped, and I patted my helmet because I didn't know what to do. I patted my helmet, and he stopped at the light. So when I was out of view of him, I just took off and zipped over into the parking lot, parked the bike, and got off of it. And by the time he got to me, I was good. He had like passed me. It was really, really cool. That looks like a house out of a horror movie. It was like set up perfectly with like the fence around it, and like it was just a tall, skinny house. Did it? I couldn't hear you on that one. Oh yeah, he was right there next to me in SBK. Yeah, the entire hood ride at SBK, he was right next to me. Downhill, dude. I could curve it back this way, but then I tried to go back the other way, and that downhill fucked me up. This is weird. Just random. Yeah, we'll just squeeze on through. We'll just squeeze right on through. Don't mind us, dude. It's a dirt track. It's gated off. Yeah, that's a little dirt track, dude. That's a tiny dirt track though, like for like minis. What is that? What is that? That's a runway. That's a tiny little runway. Oh, it's for little remote control airplanes. That's a little airstrip for remote control airplanes. Dude, there's so much cool stuff back here I literally didn't even know about. Oh, that thing sounds so good. I don't know. Oh my god. That cow's looking at me. This road is smooth and it goes on for a while. Yeah. Like, yeah, you can see it dripping right there. Stop it. Knock it off. James. $702. That's why I laughed. He shrugged his shoulders when I'm sitting there staring at his phone on the tank. I was like, "Dude, look at you, James, look at your phone." Look how beautifully smooth this is. I'm gonna take this opportunity though, since we have the beautiful sunset, to go ahead and end the video right here. It was a good day. Just out chilling, no plans. Thank you guys for watching and hanging out with me today. If you want more content, go check out my Twitch. I stream almost every night. And yeah, that's gonna be it. Thank you everybody so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.